There's a few fish just at my feet here. Pretty big ones. There's fish freaking everywhere. And you get to touch any of my flies. Bunch of them right here. Bunch of them. This is kind of putting me off. There's so many. Oh, that one, those two are going straight. Oh, dry fly. Yep. Oh, good fish. I was not expecting that. That's better, he's coming over. Dry fly. Oh, it's a brown. What? That's cool. It's a brown. Beautiful orange striped brown. Straight over to the dry fly. He swam about a metre to get that. Oh, he's coming towards me. Oh, he saw me. He's coming right at me. He's sitting under my fly line right now. Maybe the eel nipped him, I don't know. But he's coming, he's looking at my dry, he's going to eat it. He nipped it. Oh, I hooked him. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, oh.